Hello everyone, welcome to Freename. Today we're going to take a look how to use Huddle with Freename Domains. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do, you want to go to the Huddle website right here. And in order to start a meeting right away, you just click to start meeting here. At this point, you will have to synchronize your MetaMask wallet with the Huddle website right here. And at this point, you should be able to see your Freename domains. At this point, you click to select. Here you can see the list of all the domains that you have inside of your MetaMask. You just click on whatever you want. In this case, it's Ancient on Satoshi. You just click on it, and you join the meeting. And it's done. So congratulations, now you can use your Freename domain for online conversation. See you the next time.